Hey guys, I'm posting here another video about the poetry and the painting, of course. And I posted this painting already on my channel, but I will post it again, this shorter version, which I'm doing like longer video and then shorter video, just with everything is faster, and this time with poetry again. The painting is about finding the freedom, because I've made this painting for my mentor, my business mentor, and I dedicated this one to her because she showed me how to get my own freedom with knowledge that I have and with work which I love to do. And that's why this one is really special to me. So a few weeks back I wrote this poetry about the freedom, finding freedom, and today I'm posting it here. So enjoy this video, enjoy watching it, and I hope you can connect with the poetry and with the painting. So I hope it can inspire you some way, and yes, that's it. Enjoy the video. Before I started, I want to tell you that it starts a little bit sad, but not because I want to share some sad energy with you, but because from sad moments we learn, we grow from it. So if we want to find our own freedom, we need to go through everything, like through good and through bad things. I mean, I don't believe that good and bad exist, but to make it more understandable, you probably know what I mean. So it goes like this. People can't hurt me. People can't hurt me. I'm talking to myself. I am so hurtless. I am so worthless. I don't know what to do. I thought I was strong, but I was so wrong. People playing with me. People are blaming me. I am so angry. Anger is growing in me. I feel like I'm dying. It feels like falling down to the stairs in infinite circles. But falling means growing. Growing means learning. Learning is power. I'm getting power. When I'm falling, I'm flying. When I'm hurting, I'm learning. When I'm right, I am wrong. I will stop talking and start to listening. My ears are wide open for the wise people, gaining wise words to get my own freedom. So this is it, finding your freedom. I hope you find yours and have a wonderful day.